Good morning, students. So today we are going to take a second chapter, circles. So first chapter is already over. Now we are moving to the second chapter, circles. So I hope everyone know about circles, all the basic things and all. So what we can do is we can recall about the circles. Means how can we define a circle? Circle means it's a round in shape. So how can we define what is a circle? That is, we can define a circle by a fixed point. What is that? A fixed point you will have. So this fixed point, if you keep here, I can say around this fixed point there will be many points. Around this fixed point there will be many points. How it is? I can choose one point here, so that what is the any specialities there between these 2 points, that I can say distance between these. I can keep one distance here. If it is 5 centimeter or something, I can keep one distance. So say with the same distance I can put many more points like this, so that it will form a circle. So what is the speciality here? You will have on a fixed point, and around that you have many more points. But how the many more points are fixed? That is by keeping the same distance everywhere from the fixed point. See, from here to here one fixed distance will be there. The same distance will be there everywhere. Everywhere will be same distance. So I can say this is a fixed point and this is a many other points, so that through that you can draw a lines like this, so that it will form a circle. So that is, you can see here a fixed point. Which is a fixed point? It is a center actually. You all know center. That is usually we are denoting as O. Now what is the fixed distance? Fixed distance means from here to any point of the circle. So that is the fixed distance. What is actually name for that? It is a radius. So I can take it as r, small r. So this is the fixed distance or a radius. Now I can say, okay, the next, these all the main thing you all know about that, about the circle. Now I'll choose the 2 points on the circle now. Like this I'll choose 2 points. So the 2 points I'm joining now, you are getting one line. One line you are getting. What is the name of this line? It is a chord. You may be learning 9th standard. It is a chord. C-H-O-R-D. Chord. So I can draw many more chord in this circle. I can draw this way. This is a second chord. Or I can join this also, here also. Or I can join this also. So if you join any points on the circle, you will get a line. That line is called a chord. So many more chord you can draw. But I can say one more thing. I can join this 2 lines like this. So it is passing through the center. So this is also a chord, but this is the longest chord. What is another name of this longest chord? It is a diameter. Diameter means you have one radius here, you have another radius here. So 2 radius when you join, you are getting a diameter, or it is the longest chord. So that is written, longest chord is a diameter, that is nothing but 2r, means 2 times the radius. One radius here, another radius here. So 2r is the longest chord. So the next we are going to see is, this all you understood, center, radius, diameter and all. Now again you will learn many more things from this circle. So you have a radius, and I can show you another radius also, means radius are equal, so that you can see one piece I can cut here from the circle. If I shade, you will get this one. So anybody remember this type of picture? Means cutting a piece from the circle. What is the name of this piece? That is, a piece getting from the circle is called a sector. So this is a sector. Last year 9th standard you all studying that sector. And whatever the arc you are getting, this piece means this length, the outer length, curved length is called arc. That is the arc. So from here to here, whichever sector's piece is there, no, so the outer length will be arc, that one. Now the remaining piece means the length, this arc is called as, the remaining length will be called as complementary arc. Complementary arc or alternate arc. That is which one? That is the remaining. whichever you are choosing, that will be your arc, and remaining piece will be there, no? That remaining piece, that length will be complementary arc or alternate arc. So if you hear these two names, you should not confuse that. That is the remaining arc, whichever we have, that will be complementary arc or a alternate arc. Now we'll move on to the actual chapter. Till now we have seen a basic things and all. Now we'll see more about the circles from this chapter. So your heading will be right angle and circle. Right angle and circle means you can understand that right angle, when the right angle is coming, you know that a triangle, if you draw, one angle is 90 degree, that triangle is called right angle triangle. So something of that, it will come in the circle. So now we'll see what will be the heading of this, how can we relate to the picture here. Okay, now as you all know, we have a center, we have a radius, we have a diameter or a longest chord we have. So that I'll show you here. You have a center here, a circle, you have a center, and I'm drawing a diameter, or I can say longest chord, I can say. Now using this chord or a diameter, I'm going to draw one triangle here. One triangle I'm going to draw. How the triangle look like? So one point is here, okay? A, B. This is the second point. A is the first point, B is the second point. Now the third point will be, I'll put it on the circle. Third point will be just putting on the circle. Now if I join those points like this, if I join, remember the third point is on the circle. Now if I join on the circle, what will happen for this triangle? What kind of triangle you are getting here? Looking at this only, you can understand what type of triangle is this. That is, as the name says, it is a right angle. That means this will form a 90 degree. So that is when it is forming 90 degree, that is a triangle you have, that is the third point of the triangle, if it is on the circle, and that time it will form a right angle. Not only that, this another opposite side should be the diameter. That means that line should pass on the center like this. Okay, not here at all. If you draw the line here and if you draw the triangle, that will not be 90 degree. But you have to keep in mind, whenever you draw the chord, that is this one, diameter, whenever you draw the diameter and join the triangle like this on the circle, that will form a right angle. So this is 90 degree, I can say. This is 90 degree, this one. Now the same I'm going to show you here. And the circle I have, the center I have, one point A here, the second point B here, this is center. Now what happens if the point comes out of the circle? This is where it is on the circle. What happens if the points comes out of the circle? Means I am going to join this to here and this to here. Like this, okay? Like this joining. What happens for this angle? Whether it is 90 degree, it is not 90 degree. It will not be 90 degree. But what will be actually it is? It is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Remember always, whenever a point is on the circle, it is 90 degree. Whenever a point is outside the circle, it will form a less than 90 degree. Now the same way, I am going to show other one. The middle, the diameter I am drawing. Here A, B. Now on the circle over, outside the circle over. Now I am going to show you inside. A point which is keeping inside, so that I am joining like this. Now here also one angle forming, means triangle angle is forming. What will be this angle, you have to say. Whether it is 90, whether it is less than 90, or what is the third option? It will be more than 90. Whenever a third point of the triangle, if it is inside the circle, then it will be more than 90. More than 90. This is very, very important because we are using this for the problems. So this is easy. You have to keep it in mind. Whenever you are taking a diameter, that you have to keep in mind, whenever this line is a diameter, from the diameter, the third point of this triangle, if it is on the circle, then angle will be 90 degree. The same way, if it is diameter and the point is outside the circle, it will be less than 90 degree. And the same way, if it is diameter, the third point is inside the circle, it will be more than 90 degree. So this is very, very important. Now we'll see the problem based on the previous concept. That is, you all remember no what is the concept is. So page number 42, the question number 1, you can see the figure on the board here, and I'll read over the question is, suppose we draw a circle with the bottom side of the triangle. So suppose we draw a circle with the bottom side of the triangle. Bottom side which one? AB. If we use that as a diameter, okay, that as a diameter if we use, and we are drawing a circle. AB is a diameter and we are drawing a circle. That time, find out whether the top corner of each triangle is inside the circle, on the circle or outside the circle. Means you have a three triangles are here. So when you draw the circle as AB as a diameter, third point of this triangle, third point of the second triangle, third point of the third triangle, where it is coming, it is on, inside or outside, you have to see. That is how you can make out. By seeing the angle, you can just make out where it is coming. So that is the question. So for example, if you, I'll show you here, if AB, here AB, I'm drawing a circle like this. Now, this is a circle. Circle did not show, you have to imagine. So that 110, where it will come? Just now we have used one concept. 110 means it is more than 90 degree. Where it will come? It will come inside. Inside it will come. 110 means it will be inside. Now, the second one, it is shown like this only, but not given. You have to understand it is a 90 degree. This square shape it is given, angle. If it is showing like that, it is 90 degree. So, that will come on the circle because it is a 90 degree. Now, the 70 degree which one? It is a less than 90. So, automatically that will come outside. So, this is the way the picture will look like when you draw the circle with the AB as a diameter. Now, how can we write the answer here? That is, since I can give A, B, C, D here and E here. You can give any of the name, okay? So, I'll start from which one? E only I'll start. Since E, how much is that? 110. E is 110. You know that it is more than 90. So, I can say E is more than 90 degree. E is more than 90 degree. No, this is the reason, just what you understood that you have to write. E is more than 90 degree, so that therefore E is inside the circle. So same way, since angle D is 90 degree, so that is 90 degree only. So it will come on the circle. Therefore D is on the circle. Now, the last one, angle C. Since angle C is 70 degree, so that will be less than 90. So, C is less than 90 degree. That you can say the reason. Therefore, C is outside the circle. So, this is the answer for this question. This is all important because always asking this type of questions, okay? So looking at the angle, you have to understand whether it is inside, on or outside. So keep in mind, if it is more than 90, it will be inside. If it is 90, it will be on. If it is less than 90, it will be outside the circle.